with glow tips, glow chat, glow fun.
Knowing to whom we belong, we
Grow in beauty, wiser and strong.
glow up and see who you can be.
Glow up.
Hi Glow Getters, welcome to the Glow Up, where we empower you to glow up in your everyday life. Subscribe for a new video every week. I recently went to Twin City Superstore downtown and I picked up 5 items and they were having a sale, so I said why not put the Glow Getters on. I got 5 items for less than 5,000 Jamaican dollars. Everything was discounted, and that to me is glow up on a budget. So I really enjoyed shopping at Twin City. They have a variety of items that you can dress up or you can dress down depending on what occasion you're looking for clothing for. So I'm going to share with you what I got and just tell you basically why I got the piece and what I plan to do with the piece. So the first one I'm actually wearing, I got this top. So I got 4 tops and a skirt. I got this top because of the pattern. Who doesn't like this? It's like a tribal triangular design, and I really like the different shades of blue against my melanin. So I got this one, and I'm a very basic dress up, but I can see myself dressing this top up with a pencil skirt and some heels for a more elegant look, or if I want I can just rock it with a jeans pants. So the next top that I got is very similar to this, but it's in a different print. I got it in the glow up colors. I just got it in this yellow and blue. Again, another print that I think will pop against my skin tone, and it's very comfortable. Trust me, it's very comfy. And as I said, you can dress it up or you can dress it down. And they do have these tops in other prints. The next top that I got is a sweater, and it's a long sleeved sweater. So as you can see, this is the sleeve, and yeah, they have this in several other colors, and it's just a basic comfy one that you can dress up or you can dress down. The other top that I got, I really got for the message on the top. it said, and it says, do what you love every day. And that's a nice message to remember. And I got it in an oversized tee look because that's me. I dress for comfort, and normally I go for the basic black and white top, so I'm trying to step out of my comfort zone with these prints, but I really got this one for what the shirt says, and I know they have it in other colors as well. So the last item that I just was a mini haul. You know, we have to stay on budget, but the last one that I got is way out of my comfort zone. I don't normally get neon colored anything, but I decided to get a neon orange skirt, and it's medium length, so it stops right around my calf. This is gonna be a different look for me, but I've already thought of how I want to style this. You just have to stay tuned and see. I also have plans for that white long sleeved sweater. I have plans to glow it up, so you have to stay tuned to the glow up to see what that sweater will be. But this skirt as well, I see it for like a photo shoot, and this skirt was $500. It was $1,400 originally, and then it got discounted to $500. You can't beat that. It's a statement piece, and I just love how it looks against my skin again. So I'm trying to step out of my comfort zone with my fashion on my GlowUP journey. So if you have any ideas on how I should style these basic pieces, let me know in the comments below. Check out Twin City Superstore, 58 King Street, downtown. They have a variety of pieces, and they're very affordable, and their staff is very friendly and very helpful. So thank you guys so much for watching this video. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe to the GlowUP and see who you can be. Until next time, Glow Getters. Bye.